Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal if this is your first time here, and today I am back with another BoxyCharm unboxing. This is the February BoxyCharm box, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright guys, so I've had this for about a week now. I did open it up. I wasn't particularly, impressed with this box. That's probably why it took me a while to do this video. But this is what the inside of the box looks like. If this is your first time seeing it, a BoxyCharm box unboxing, it comes with this little pamphlet on the inside that gives you the theme of the box. And this month's theme is fitting. It is XOXO for, I guess, Valentine's Day, February. Could have been something for Black History Month, but I'm not gonna go there today. This pamphlet also gives you some information and retail pricings of the items inside of the box. First up, we have this product by Levito. This is the Age Away Hydrating Cream. That's what the packaging looks like. This moisturizer is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture. A high concentration of plant actives, including antioxidant-rich sea buckthorn and evening primrose seed oil, also rich in fatty acids, promotes cellular regeneration and restore elasticity and firmness. This moisturizer from Levito retails for $55. It's a moisturizer that's going to help the elasticity in your skin, help with hydration and firmness of your skin. So, I just be shocked. The retail value of these boxes, a little bit about BoxyCharm, I should have said that first. It's a monthly subscription beauty box. The boxes average from $25 to I think like $50 or $100. I'm not 100% sure. You can check the website out. But the base box, the one for $25, retail values over $175, I think it is. But I know I've gotten boxes where the products and the inside, one product in one of my boxes was well over $125 before. So you definitely get your money's worth. It's just that I'm shocked I'm always shocked at the prices of some of these products in these boxes. But I guess I need to get over that. That's not what we're here for. Next up, we have this Hyaluron Skin Essence by Haskins. I had to do some research on this because I had no clue what it was for. The card says, developed by the inventors of K-Beauty's first BB cream, this hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This cushiony, non-sticky formula instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow. So I thought it was like a moisturizer when I read that or whatever. So the directions, however, says to apply it after cleansing and toning the face and before moisturizing the face. So what I gathered after reading and asking a bunch of questions was it's like a moisture boost for the skin, and it helps to keep you hydrated and your skin hydrated and quenched throughout the day, or just improve the moisture in your skin. So it's like all the rave in Korean skincare, some stuff like that. I don't know. I'm in this skincare group on Facebook, and one girl says that she loves it. She sometimes mixes it with her toner, or sometimes she uses it separate. So I'm going to try it both ways to see if I notice a difference in the moisture levels in my skin. Let me show you what the product looks like. It's a nice size bottle of essence, I guess that's what you call it. So this is a really nice size. It retail values for $46. So this was one product. I'm not going to say that I was like, ooh, excited about it, but I was interested in it. And this is something I am planning on using. This next product is by Wonder Beauty. This is a double date lip and cheek stain. Get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on the lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto the skin, while the clear, shimmer-free balm provides a comfortable hydration and glow. So let's see what this looks like. I don't want to tear this because I might put this in my little giveaway bag. I do have a bag full of giveaway stuff. So I will be doing a giveaway really soon. So far what I have in my little giveaway bag is the eyeshadow palette, a highlighter duo thingy, some facial mask, some other stuff. I think I have a pair of eyelashes. I have a like highlight and blush and bronzer kit thing that I want to give away, but the thing is I swatched one. So in the comments down below, let me know if you're willing to take a swatched product. I haven't used the product, I just literally swatched it for a video. Oh, this is cute. This is what this looks like. This is actually really cute. This is the top shade. This is a really nice pink. I don't want to touch it in case I give it away, but it's a really nice pink shade. I think this will be a really nice blush. I've never really used a cream blush before. I've had one, but I never used it. And I would think this would be really light and sheer on the lips. I'm gonna see the bottom. Oh, there's a little mirror in here as well. Cute. And this is just like a little sheer base, I guess. So you can use it alone for like a gloss, or you can put it over the tinted side to make it more glossy if you like. This is neat. This lip and cheek duo retails for $22. This is cute. I like the packaging on this. This packaging is really pretty. All right, next up I have this. What is this? Limited edition liner duo from St. Lux. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner glides smoothly onto the lips and blends with little to no effort. And it tells you how to do a overdrawn lip on here as well. It says, achieve a fuller lip by overlining the lips just above the natural lip line to get a plumper, kissable look. I don't overline my lips, but if you want to know how to overline your lips, just overdraw a little bit above your natural lip line. This retails for $40. Oh, you get two in here. These are really nice neutral colors that I think will look good on just about anyone. Does the shade names on here? Okay, this one here is in the shade Love Letter, and this one is in Secret Admirer. I'll swatch these because I'm going to use these for sure. Oh, this is a really nice, pretty brown. That is pretty. I'm definitely going to use these. It's a nice brown shade. And then you have this one, which is Love Letter. Oh, and this is like a brick. That's really pretty as well. These are really nice. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm not going to pay $40 for them. But these are really nice. The last item in the February box is the one item that I was kind of excited about. It's an eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauty. This is the Nostalgia palette. It's really pretty, guys. The colors are really bright and vibrant. The packaging is really pretty as well. It's giving me tropical vibes. Let me go ahead and show you what these... Now, I don't own any Ace Beauty products, but I've heard really, really good things about the Ace Beauty. I've seen really, really nice eyeshadow looks done with Ace Beauty palettes before. So, I did actually pick this to go in my box because with BoxyCharm, you get to select one item each month to go inside of your box. And because I've heard really nice things about Ace Beauty and have never tried them before, I did select this to go in my box. And this is what the palette looks like. It's really, really vibrant and bright. I'm going to swatch. Let's see. Let's go here. This is in Picnic. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that swatch is Let me give y'all one more. I'm going to give y'all this theme park. Oh, Lord. Yup. All right, I can stop saying y'all. One more, the yellow. Oh, my Lancer. Okay. Yep, I'm not swatching no more of these. This is beautiful. Alright, well, I'm not going to swatch no more. This is a beautiful palette. Oh, yeah. This was the one thing that I was excited about And it has this really nice size mirror too. That's a nice size mirror. This nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milded and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Huh, I see that. I see that, yeah. I'm going to probably do something with this next. This was the one thing that I was excited about in the box. Other than that, this box wasn't bad, but I've gotten better. I'm not complaining. Am I complaining? I don't know, but anyway, I feel like this box was really short. It wasn't a lot to really talk about. Alright guys, so that's it for the February BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What did you guys get inside of your BoxyCharm box for February? Comment down below and let me know what you received. If you received any of the same items that I have, how were you enjoying them? Are you enjoying them? As I stated before, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to probably announce the items that I'm going to be giving away in my next video. And also, I do want you guys to let me know if you're willing to take that palette that I was talking about that I did swatch once. I do have another crayon case eyeshadow palette that I also used one color out of. And I'm looking to give it away. So if you're interested in anything that has been swatched or lightly used once, let me know in the comment section below, and I will include those items in one of the giveaways that I'm going to be doing. But I do have a giveaway box that's getting, I'm putting items in there so I can give you guys stuff for subscribing and showing me some support. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And leave me some feedback down in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.